Okay, so now we're going to do a angle bisector. Again, taking one angle, cutting it right in half. It's a lot easier than it sounds. So the first thing you're going to do is drop an angle with the line segment tool. So I'm going to do it down here. I'm going to make this kind of large just so I can, because I know I'm not drawing anything else on this screen, like another angle or anything. Okay, so there's my angle. I'm going to cut it in half. First thing I want to do is I'm just going to kind of check and see what this angle is that I drew. This looks to be like a maybe about 45-degree angle. Okay, so when I cut it in half, I'm going to need it to be about half of 45. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my compass. I'm going to turn this blue or something, and I'm going to put my point on the vertex, and I'm just going to make an arc. I'm going to unlock it. Just going to make an arc and label a couple of points. So there's my arc. Okay, and I'm going to label this point A, and this one is point B. That's a funky looking B, but that's okay. All right, so I've drawn up the angle. I've made an arc. It says mark them C and D. That's okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my compass on point A, okay, and I'm going to unlock it, and I'm going to make it kind of large, just so I know it can make a big arc. And I'm going to lock it back, and I'm just going to make a big arc right in the middle of that angle there. Okay? Once I've done that, I'm going to put the point on B, keep it locked. You're going to have the same distance, and I'm going to make another arc right there. And you'll see as you do that, you come up with an intersecting arc. Okay, that's where your line segment is going to go. So then I'm going to take this line. Well, first of all, I want to mark it. I'm going to mark this as point C. Okay? So now I'm going to take this line segment and take it right up through point C, and that is going to bisect my angle. Now I can check it. Remember, the original one was about 45 degrees or so. This one is about 20, looks like 22.5, which goes along with the half of 45 degrees. So that's how to bisect an angle. Let me know if you have any questions.